Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn on the Invert Colors feature of the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. The Invert Colors feature can be useful for users who have difficulty reading or prefer a high contrast display. Let's get started. Step 1. To begin, press the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, navigate to the Settings icon and click on it. This will open the Windows Settings menu. Step 2. In the Windows Settings menu, look for the Ease of Access option and click on it. Within the Ease of Access settings, locate and click on the Magnifier option. Step 3. On the right-hand side of the Magnifier settings, you'll find a toggle switch labeled Use Magnifier. Enable this toggle switch to turn on the Magnifier tool. Step 4. Once the Magnifier tool is enabled, scroll down and find the option labeled Invert Colors. Check the box next to Invert Colors to activate the Invert Colors feature. And that's it. You have successfully turned on the Invert Colors feature of the Magnifier tool in Windows 10. Now, your display will have a high contrast, making it easier to read and view content. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.